Hey guys, thegadgetman here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and demonstrating this EKSA E1000 wireless gaming headset. So this item was gifted to me to do this unboxing and demonstration, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to break it out of the box, show you what it looks like, and demonstrate it for you. So let's go ahead and get right to it. Alright, so it comes in a nice little bag here. And we've got, see what we've got here. We've got an audio cable, a wireless dongle right here, and a USB-C charging cable. Alright, got a nice little velvet bag that it comes in. And here we have the gaming set itself. Alright. We've got our boom. Let's go ahead and put it on. It's a little small. Okay, so it expands. It's plastic, but this has got some metal spring stuff right here. Right here. I have a pretty big head, so let me go ahead and expand it out and put it on. Alright, so, okay. It looks pretty good. Feels pretty good. Let me tighten it up just a little bit. Actually, I got a little too loose. There we go. A little bit hard to adjust while on your head. Okay. There we go. Alright, well, let me go ahead and see here. Kind of just show it to you. These are nice and soft. Alright. We've got a volume control right here, and the power button, and some different buttons on this side, no buttons on that, so our control buttons are right here, all on this side right here. Alright guys, so the main thing is, how does it work? And so I'm going to need to test this out and come back and give you an opinion on that. So let me get to testing, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I've had a chance to test this product over the last few days, and I'm just going to give you my personal opinion about it. Now, one thing for me is I do my work is doing what I'm doing right here is product testing, and in video editing I use a very high quality set of headphones from Audio-Technica. They cost about $200, and they're a professional studio headset with premium sound. So that's my baseline for what quality sound should sound like. But then also I have to balance that with these and the cost of them, which is about a quarter of what my studio professional headset is, cost. And so, I have to balance those two things when trying to evaluate a product and put it in the category that it belongs. Compared to other audio devices in the same price range, I'm going to say that this device does, is competitive on audio quality in the price range that it is. So as far as the audio itself, it's good quality audio, very decent for the price range, and if you're playing games, it's going to be really good for that. It's a little heavy on the bass, which is very typical for gaming headsets because a lot of modern video games have a lot of bass in them. If you like bass, then it's fine for that. It's a little lacking in the mid regions, and is not very strong on your highs, but it is a decent audio. It is wireless only via this thing right here. This is what it connects to. It's not Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So this is what you got to plug in. It's only going to be compatible with consoles that actually are compatible with this. So it can't connect Bluetooth, it can't connect Wi-Fi. Now it does have, you can connect it via an actual audio cable to things, and so it will work that way. But if you're looking for wireless, it needs to be compatible with this. Unfortunately, I didn't have a console that was compatible with this. I just have a very old Nintendo Wii U, and I tried it with that, and it just didn't work with it. It was not compatible. I tried probably 3 hours to get it to work. It didn't work. So there was nothing I could do there. But it did work fine with my PC, which I did
editing, and I will edit the audio of this video with this device right here when I go to do the final edit on it. The microphone records fine. That works good. It's a good, decent microphone. So for a gaming headset, I'm going to say that it's a decent set. You know, I didn't find any glaring problems with it. It's, you know, pretty when you turn it on here. It's got this, you hold that button down and, you know, so you got this kind of rainbowy look here, and so it kind of looks nice. You got volume control in the back, works good. You can turn your microphone on or off with this button right here. All right, guys, that's all I have to say about this product. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider hitting the thumbs up underneath the video or the little heart to let me know this video helped you out. All right, guys, until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying I'll see you later.